Hello everyone, this is Annie. Today I'm going to introduce you the most popular product in our company. What is FTTH job cable? FTTH job cable means fiber to the home job cable. It is to build network and connect it to the subscribers. There are two types of job cable. The first one is indoor cable with two pieces steels or FRP to protect the fiber. We normally make it in standard size like this. The strength member is flat shape, but for some other customers who need cheaper price, they will choose the strength member in round cable like this because it will be smaller size, so the price will be cheaper. There are two types of fiber in the cable, G657A1 in green color and G657A2 in blue color. They have differences on price and attenuation. The minimum bending radius for the green one is about 10 mm and the blue one is only about 7.5 mm. As for the attenuation, it is almost the same for both fibers. It's about 0.18 to 0.21 dB per kilometers. The price of G657A1 will be cheaper than A2, but for some customers from South America who need higher bending requirements, they will choose A2 fiber for the cable. The outside jacket is LSZH, means low smoke, zero halogen, which is flame retardant. It is the best choice for indoor and outdoor job cable. All in all, FTTH job cable is designed for efficient, lightweight, and high-speed connectivities to home and office. Which one you prefer? Please feel free to contact us. Fibra will be your best choice. Thank you.